Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Offices Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. As you know that from 10th of June your exam is going to be start right now. All 5 subject, in my opinion, that is compulsory for you people, because 4 compulsory is a criteria of the IABF. But in your opinion, in your point of view, all 5 subjects are compulsory to crack in the single and the first attempt. Don't think class that I will crack this 2 paper in the next session, then 1 paper in the next session. Don't think. Just try to crack your exam in this session only, because God knows maybe the syllabus can be changed of your JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay, so that's why this is the only year and this is the only session in which you have to crack your exam. It may be possible that in the further days your negative marks can become. So that's why you have to be very focused in your CIB syllabus. And if you have till now not enrolled in the power pack revision batch, this is the ultimatum batch. Okay, this English medium batch, or full subjects are there, and elective paper is also there. Okay, elective paper is also there. So that's why if you want to crack this exam, you have to simply apply the coupon code Y391 for this batch. If you have not enrolled in any CIB batch, then it is very compulsory. Good morning, Shiva sir. Okay, till now, if you have not enrolled in any batch, then this batch is compulsory. Otherwise, if you have enrolled in the CIB ka Mahapack, so in the CIB ka Mahapack, this will already included in your session, and we will also launch the live classes of elective paper, okay, separately, and this also include in the CIB ka Mahapack. So if you are new in this session, it is a request to you to just enroll in the CIB ka Mahapack. That will give you everything. No need to purchase any extra thing if you just enroll in the CIB ka Mahapack. So for that one, you have to apply the coupon code, that is Y391. Okay. Good morning, Manas sir. So yeah, today we have to finish module D, and class today definition terms of module D is finished. Today definition terms of module D is finished. So that's why this session is very much important. Don't skip this module D. Why I'm telling you? Because this module D is very much important, and I will try that I will finish this module before first week of June, so that we will focus on the mini marathon of your BRBL subject in the bilingual and English medium language. Okay, so that's why this definition term is very much important. Now let's start with the term. And why I'm saying that you have to be focused on the definition term, because that is included in your syllabus. You have a 25 acts and you have to study the definition of this 25 act, because that is a part of the syllabus. So don't skip this definition term. Trust me class, question can be come from the definition terms. That's why. Okay, now what is appropriate government? So appropriate government under this one is basically central government, okay, and the state government. To the point thing we have to study. Appropriate government under the right to information. Right to information means that what information we can be demand. Okay, so in this case, central government and state government. Central Information Commission means that is constituted under this act. It is called CIC. So CIC constituted under this act. What is Central Public Information Officer? It means that is designated and includes a Central Assistant Public Information Officer also. CIC is different and CPIO is different. CPIO, that is a Central Public Information Officer. Okay, if we want to appeal, so we have to appeal in the CIC. So we have already read in the right to information that what is the appellant body regarding this one. Okay, so this is your 3 points. Now, what is Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioner? It means basically which is appointed under section 12. No need to learn the section, because in each designation your sections are written. So no need to learn the section, because section will not ask in the exam. section will not ask in the exam. So you have to focus on that. Basically, in right to information, the designation is Central Information Officer, Central Public Information Officer, okay? And next one is Chief Information Commissioner. Okay, Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioner. Now, what is competent authority that is given under this act? Now, this point is important. This point is important because it's contains so many things. So class, competent authority means that Speaker, in the case of House of People and Legislative Assembly of this, House of People means Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha and UT of such assembly. Competent authority means Chief Justice of India of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of High Court in the case of High Court, President or Governor and the Administrator. So class, this is very, very much important, that what comes under the competent authority. This is important. And guys, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel of Officer Adda. Okay, do not forget to like the session and subscribe the channel of Officer Adda, because once you subscribe the channel, then the thing will be automatically come in your mobile. This is very, very much important. Is that clear, class? Yes, any doubt? Okay, now, so how many persons are there in this competent authority? Speaker 1, this is 2, this is 3, Chief Justice of High Court, this is 4 and this is 5. So you have to learn these competent authority name. This is important, Neha ma'am. Okay, this is important. Question can become in that case. Who is competent authority? Okay, next. What is information? See class, we have to ask the information from the public authority. What is public authority? We will focus. So whatever the words that is important now, see, till now, which word is important? Till now, the word which is important is competent authority and information. Whatever the word which I feel that is important now, I will just highlight and star mark. Done? Now, what is information? Because we have to ask information from the public authority, because we are the free citizen of India. We are living in a democratic country. In a democratic country, we the people, by the people, for the people, this tagline go on. Okay. So information means any material in any form, including records, documents, memos, email, opinions, advices, press releases, circulars, order, logbook, contract, reports, papers, sample, models, data material, etc., whether it is held in the electronic form or information relating to any private body which can be accessed by the public authority. It means, see, the private authority in which their controlling power is in the hand of the public authority na, so we can ask information from that private authority also, because that private authority is in the hand of the public authority. That's why we can ask the information. Okay, just like your bank, in which the more than 50% ownership is in the hand of the central government or state government. So in that thing, we can ask the information. Okay, otherwise we cannot ask the information from the private authority, because that is totally banned. That is totally banned. Okay, now what is prescribed class? Prescribed means that is prescribed by the rules made under this act by the appropriate government or the competent authority. That is called prescribed. This is called prescribed class. Okay, this is called prescribed. Now, what is public authority? Now, this point is important. What is public authority? This point is important. So, public authority means any authority or body, institution that is established and constituted by. So, public authority is the person, okay, that is established and constituted by the constitution, made by parliament, state legislature, or notification issued an order made by the appropriate government. See, four things that you have to notice. First of all, class, what is constitution? So constitution, in my paid batch, I have already told you the constitution is basically the father of law. What is constitution? Constitution is basically the father of law. So what is the work of father of law? See, in all the act, we know that sections are there. Section 1, section 2, section 3, right? But Constitution of India is the only law book in which every point wise is written as Article 1, Article 2, Article 3. So that's why this Constitution book is different from all other books. And Constitution of India, that is of 1950, it is also known as the father of law. And what is father of law? Father means whatever I have committed, you have to follow my things. So that's why the Constitution of India is very important. So whatever the, authority, see, whatever the authority, body, institution that is established and constituted by constitution, parliament means Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, by state legislature and appropriate government. So these authority, body, institution will call as the public authority. If I just give you the example of, suppose Delhi University is there, Banaras Hindu University is there. What is this? These universities comes under the central government. So central government means parliament. So these things are public authority, right? These things are public authority. That's it. Done. So you have to learn these four key points. And see, appropriate government includes any body owned, controlled, financed, okay? Financed by the appropriate government. Appropriate means basically central and state government. Appropriate means basically center and the state government. That's it. Okay, class. So this point is, again, I'm saying very important. Now, what is record? That is not too much important, but still we have to study. What is record? It includes any document, manuscript, file, microfilm, microfiche. It's just kind of things that we just stored in the form of record. Okay, it may be electronically or practically. Any reproduction of image and images, any other material produced by the computer and other devices. So these are the records. It means, suppose I just study in the Delhi University, right? My marks come very less, so I can just ask the information that why my marks has come. Just show me the answer key, because I have a right on Delhi University. Delhi University comes under the public authority, so it's my right. Okay, it's my right. Next, what is right to information? Again, class, this slide is important. And see, class, in your Power Pack revision batch now, I'm going to give you the compilation of definition portion and compilation of the summary of the act. Yes, I'm going to give compilation and summary of the act. So this is very, very much important. So it's on you whether you can revise it or not, because right now I'm just teaching you each act, right? But in the Power Pack revision batch, I'm going to give you the compilation of all the three things, all the two things. And these two are very, very much important. If you skip these two things now, if you skip it, then it means you are losing your 40% marks in BRBL subject. So that's why this is very, very much important. No. SDFC Wipro is a totally private, ma'am. That's not come under public company. No. SDFC Wipro, that is totally public. Sorry, private company, ma'am. Neha, ma'am. So that's not come under this one. We cannot file RTI, ma'am. We cannot file. Okay. Now, what is right to information? Right to information is basically inspection of the work. We can just demand inspection of the work, documents, record. We can just ask for the notes, extract, certified copies. We can ask for the certified samples. We can ask for the obtaining information in the form of disk, floppy, tape, etc. So these are the things that's come under the right to information. And class, do not forget to like the session. Okay, do not forget. See, Neha ma'am, the reason behind it, ma'am, that why we cannot ask the information from the private authority, na ma'am, that is very simple. Because, ma'am, private authority, the basic purpose of private company is, ma'am, profit of themselves, right now, ma'am? But for the public company, the main work of public company is to welfare of the public. So this is the basic reason, ma'am. We cannot ask things from the private, because in the private company, ma'am, it may be possible that the 10-year person can become a manager of the company. So that's why we cannot ask information from the private company. Okay, this is the reason, ma'am. This is the reason. Okay, this is State Information Commission. Okay, again, class, in the central level we have just learned. In the central level we have just learned about the Central Information Commissioner. So in the state level also there is a State Information Commissioner. Why, class? Because our government is distributed into two parts, central government and state government. These two are the things, central government and state government. Okay, that's why. See, State Chief Information Commissioner, State Public Information Commission Officer. And third party, what is third party? Means a person other than citizen making a request for information in and includes a public authority. It means third party means person other than citizen making a request for information. Okay, okay, okay. Just let me check. If, ma'am, see, SDFC is it is a public company or what? Because SDFC is basically limited. If the word limited is there, ma'am, so it means, if the word limited is there, it means that the holding power is in the hand of government. Okay. Because Wipro is totally private. But I have a little bit doubt in the SDFC. I will check it, ma'am. Okay, Neha ma'am, I will check it about the SDFC. Okay. So class, that's all for today's. So class, if you want to enroll, okay, if you want to enroll, so your Power Pack revision batch is already in the store. Okay, and if your colleague, class, if your colleague want to enroll in the CAIIB new batch of the November session, so we have already launched the batch of November session of CAIIB. So you can see, click on this one, JAIIB CAIIB CAIIB November 2023. So if you want to enroll in the CAIIB 2023, this is your English medium batch, Sankalp CAIIB batch in English medium, and Sankalp CAIIB batch in the November session. Okay, done. So click on this one. This is a of your November session batch. Okay, you have to click on Y391. Click on apply. 80% discount is there. 80% discount is there. But if you want a CAIIB 2023, this is your Power Pack revision batch. English medium. Okay, and click on buy now. Coupon code Y391. Click on apply. 80% discount is there. So that's all for today's class. It's private, na Manas sir? Exactly. If it is private, then we cannot ask information. Okay, ma'am? If it is private, we cannot ask the information. Okay, class, if you want to purchase it separately, suppose if you want, if you have a doubt on the ABFM or BFM, so you can please click on this one also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. I think your ABM subject is started. Yeah, from 22nd of May, your ABM subject is already started. Okay, see, ABM. BFM will be start from 29 of May. BFM class 29 of May. ABFM will be start from 29 of May, 7 to 9 p.m. 7 to 8 p.m. AM. And BRBL subject 7 to 9 from 18th of June. Thank you so much, class.